Hello my friends, Stephanie Barnard, the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today, including a brand new Flip-It and a brand new shape in that Flip-It. Are you ready for this? We are calling this shape the Graceful shape, and you're going to be seeing more of this, but first we're introducing it into this Flip-It set. So this Flip-It set, and what do I mean graceful? It's going to be this shape right here. It has this fun little stitch mark on it. Let's turn this over so you can see everything you're getting. You're getting all of these different words, and we're going to talk about those words in a second, but you're getting optional stitching dies if you want to. And you're getting an extra little piece over here without stitching. And let me tell you all the words you're getting. First of all, the words you're getting are believe, and these are all separate with separate shadows. Believe it, miss you, can, this, got, love, do. And you're like, what? Okay, ready for this? I have a list, and I'm sure there's more, but I made a list really quick of all the things you can say. You got this, love it, believe, miss you, love you, do you believe this, can you believe this, believe it, love it, do you love it, and believe you can. Now, I'm sure there's more, but that's what I came up with in the first 10 seconds. So look at that, isn't it awesome? Lots of awesome samples to share with you. Then we are releasing a brand new Slimline Tri-Background. Yes, this coordinates with all of our other Slimline Tri-Backgrounds. So you can take the top from this one and take the bottom from the other one and take a middle from another one. They're all interchangeable. The fun thing about this one is the Merry Christmas, because you don't have to use that in the center if you don't want to. More coming on that because I want to show it to you. Cute little Christmas trees at the bottom, big Merry Christmas, and some fun snowflakes, which it's all about the snow right now, right? And lots of samples, don't worry. Last but not least, and this one is by huge customer request. Huge customer request. And I know a lot of you, as soon as I show this, you're going to literally jump out of your chairs. Really. Or it's going to knock your socks off. Either one. But let me tell you, it is the oven folded. It's an A2 size card base when folded, and it's an oven. Now, at first you might be going, oven? What? Let me see. Well, look at these samples, you guys. So here's a cute little oven. What's cooking good looking? Isn't that cute? Ooh, or for Christmas, look at this. Oven folded. Have a sweet Christmas with our cute little gingerbread guys. That is from the Snow Globe Extras, by the way. Cute little guys in there as well, baking some cookies. Or here is just kind of more of a plain one, just a cute little oven that you can write your message on the inside. But wait, there's more, because also, look at how gorgeous this is. We have our Stephanie doll cupcakes down there. We have our more cookies to stamp up here. We are just cooking fools over here. And you're sweet, it says. And this is also a shaker. So Cheryl used our new shaker mix for the inside of this shaker card. Yeah, it's a shaker. Then you can also put it on a 5x7 card. Look at how cute that is. Making cookies, more cookies to stamp right there. Oh, and our little mixer, yay! Cookies make the world a better place. A lot of you already have all of the dies on here except the oven. So you go get in your stash. If you try to buy it and you've already purchased it on my website, did you guys know this? If you've already purchased something on my website and you didn't realize it and you want to try to purchase it again, my website will tell you, wait, are you sure? You already purchased this. Do you want to purchase it again? Yes or no? What other company on the face of this earth does that? Right? So we don't want you to buy it twice if you already have it, unless you need more. So usually you don't need the same dies again or the same stamps again. So that's why we do that on the stamps and dies. Then look at this. Oh my goodness gracious. The oven folded, the cookies to stamp, and sayings for cookies. Here today, gone today, right? But look at that glitter paper. This is our chunky glitter paper, and I absolutely love it. Isn't that beautiful? It's like a stainless steel oven. Now, this one I'm going to save for last because it will freak you out. It's just going to freak you out. So let's move on, and then I'm going to come back to one. Here is the fun, graceful Flip-It, Miss You, Love. Here, let's bring these over here. Then we have, ooh, Count Your Blessings. Count Your Blessings. This is also using the fence dies, the fox dies, and the pilgrim boy and girl. Look at this, and then on the back, Happy Thanksgiving, let's gobble till we wobble. I love that little pilgrim girl. Isn't she adorable? She's so fun. Ooh, still in the fall theme. Look at this. Ooh, that fun, warm, and cozy. And then watch this, my friends. Dun, 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 dun. Hidden panel. Hidden panel. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it. Love it. Ooh, here's another one. Believe You Can. Love you. Isn't that gorgeous? With embossed side over here. Love it. Cute little rectangle on the back. Here's another one. Miss You. Beautiful. Ooh, here's a fun Christmas one. Believe. Look at that. That's beautiful. Holiday wishes. Now, Flip-its are so dang easy, you guys. I love Flip-its, especially for a fast and easy card because it's so much easier. This is also using the Garden Bunny to stamp die. Watch this. Dun, 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 dun. Isn't that gorgeous? And our stencil, I'm sorry, our die, the sweater background. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. Now, let's look at that Merry Christmas Slimline. We're saving the last oven for last, I'm telling you. Okay, now, you all know I'm a pink girl. No matter what, it's all about the pink, right? Look at this, Merry Christmas in pink. Oh, isn't it gorgeous? I absolutely love it with the cute little trees and the snowflakes. Look at the inside. Happy New Year. Oh, this is for photography. Happy New Year, gorgeous, love it. This is on a scalloped slimline card base. Here it is on a regular slimline card base. Totally different. Totally different. Totally different, right? Joy to the world using our reverse corner slimline. So let's move these over a little because I want you to see all the different options. Now, here it is with Merry Christmas like that. Now, these all use the trees on the bottom, the Merry Christmas in the center, and then the snowflakes, right? The snowflakes. And here's another one. Oh, my word. Look at this. Oh, Merry Christmas. Beautiful, right? So let's put that like right there in the center. Then you can also, my friends, do it horizontal. What? I know, yes you can, because you're gonna move that Merry Christmas and just flip it. Look at that, gorgeous. I absolutely love that. Totally different look there. Then, don't forget, you don't have to use all of the pieces. So this one is not using the center or the bottom. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Warm wishes. Now, or, dun 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 dun, get ready for this, use the words all by themselves, right? Use the words by themselves. So many different options. It's all about options. I want you grabbing from here, grabbing from here, grabbing from here, using all the other things you've already purchased and mixing and matching them to put them together. Isn't that awesome? I absolutely love that. Now, so look at all the different themes though. Like, so it's all Merry Christmas, but they're all totally different colors, right? Totally different colors, different styles, different everything. I love it. Now, we're gonna go back to the oven, fold it, because who made this? Yvette. Knocked my socks off on this one. See, I don't have my socks on. Watch this, are you ready? She took our oven, fold it, and made it into a recipe book. And let me just tell you, you all have to do this for somebody for Christmas. You have to. Especially like the younger generation, right? They don't have the recipes yet. But look at this. So she made it a little shaker on the front. It's a little shaker. She cut it out of thick cardstock and added a couple pieces to make it a nice thick book. She put little rings on here and just hole punched too. Put some ribbon on there, open it up. She used our recipes for creative decks to fill this in. From the kitchen of recipe directions. Look at this. Every single page, recipe and directions. So now you can make a cute little cookbook. Imagine giving this to someone, or like giving this to, you could even sell these at craft fairs. Oh my goodness, sell these at craft fairs. These would go crazy at craft fairs. Keep in mind, my friends, any of our fold-its can be little books. Look at how adorable this is. Imagine selling this at a craft fair. People would go nuts. People would go nuts. Giving this as a gift to someone, filled in or not filled in, the choice is yours. What if you don't want to give them any recipes, but you want to give them this little book and then they can put their own recipes inside? But imagine getting this little book. I am in love with this idea. So the recipe for creative decks, that stamp set, a lot of you already have it, but you can make it for a cute little cookbook using the oven. Right? I know. Mind blowing. My friends, if you're a club member, you are getting 15 to 20% off everything I just showed you, because there are no exclusions, including even the cute little embellishments. Everything on the website for club members is a sale every single day, 15 to 20% off guaranteed. Now, if you're not a club member, you got to join. You can be a club member for only $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set of Happy Mail each and every month. Then you get the club discounts. You get the club discount, you get the club points, you get the freebies, you get the anniversary gifts. It's amazing. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on Join the Club, the tab up at the top, and just watch the videos. Then the hardest part's going to be deciding which club to get. Some people just get all of them because they love Happy Mail. But you know what? Is that adorable or what? Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.